Ask powerful questions, create conversations that matter. This is one of the tools that comes along in the Connection Toolkit that Will and I are most proud of. The book is structured off of this Ask Powerful Questions pyramid. And you can see in here, looking at the left side of this pyramid, think about creating a culture in your own teams and your own organizations where people are willing to know you, they see you, hear you, get you, and they're with you. What does that look like? And for us, what we've noticed is, and the reason we structured and designed the pyramid in this way, is that builds a culture of connection and trust that amplifies engagement, performance, makes people want to show up to work as opposed to dragging their feet to show up to work for a paycheck. Then the right side is the really practical, how do you make that come alive? These are really nice theories in concepts in theory. How do you really make that come alive? And so each chapter is a really practical dive or how-to into how do you make intention show up? How do you build a culture where people are willing to know you? Feel free as you go through this. The book's also packed with research and other ideas and practical ways to put it to work. If there's a way that me or Will can help you make this come alive, reach out to us. We get to travel the planet helping people ask powerful questions and create conversations that matter. Have an awesome day.